Now I'm on my way. I'm going to a party. Hip, 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 hooray.
Hey, Bob. Are you there?
Who's that?
It's me, Muzzy.
Ah, hello, Muzzy.
Where's Sylvia?
I don't know. But we've got a surprise for you. A surprise?
What is it?
Aha! It's a secret.
Tell me.
No! It's a secret. Wait and see.
Oh, all right.
See you at the party.
See you. Ah, there you are. It's not a secret. It's Amanda. And whose baby are you?
Whose? Your? Yours. Her? Hers. Our? Ours.
And whose baby are you?
She's ours, of course.
Yes, you're our baby. And whose fingers are these?
They're Amanda's fingers.
And whose toes are these?
They're Amanda's toes. They're hers.
And whose eyes are these?
They're your eyes, Amanda. Yes, they're yours. And this is your little nose. Yours. How many fingers? How many toes? How many eyes beside her nose?
10 little fingers, 10 little toes,
2 big brown eyes
and a little pink nose. 2 big brown eyes and a little pink nose. And how many teeth? Ow!
Naughty Amanda. Come on, off we go.
Are we ready for the party?
Nearly. We're nearly ready. Corvax is making a cake. A huge cake. An enormous cake.
Oh, dear. I need help. Here you are, Corvax. He can help you. Be good, or you go back to prison. What are you doing, Corvax?
I'm making a cake, a huge cake, an enormous cake. Now, get some sugar and some eggs and some apples and,
I hate work.
I hate work, and I hate Bob, and I hate Muzzy.
Muzzy? Who's Muzzy?
Wait and see. The party's for Muzzy.
What food does he like?
Clocks.
Clocks? Does he eat clocks?
Yes, he does. Muzzy eats clocks. Now, you get on with your work. I hate Muzzy, and I hate Bob. But I love Princess Sylvia.